Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have some amazing new DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves. They're simple, affordable, and easy to remake. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. I'll be taking this floor foam from Dollar Tree and just placing some Mod Podge over it and sprinkling it with some iridescent fine glitter. Next, I'm going to be using these icicle ornaments that I found at Dollar Tree. And what I'm doing here is just pushing the icicle ornaments into the perimeter of the floor foam. And I'm just going to keep on doing this until I have filled in the whole circle. I'll be taking this candle stand from a previous project, and guys, all this is a glittered up Dollar Tree candle holder. So yeah, I'm just gonna hot glue it to the base of the project. The last thing I'm gonna do is add this brooch that I already had, and yeah, here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? And if anyone's wondering how I'm lighting the inside of the project, all this is a Dollar Tree candle, and I've just wrapped it with some fairy lights. For my next DIY, I'm going to be using these Dollar Tree napkin rings. I'll also be using these large acrylic gems, and they're from eFavormart. Next, I'm going to use some leftover foam board, and I'm just going to hot glue two pieces together. This bling strip is from Amazon. Right here, I'm just taking some Mod Podge and brushing that over the top of the foam board, and then I'll just shake on some fine silver glitter. And now it's time to assemble everything. So here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? Guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.